10. The power of his resurrection. The fact that Jesus Christ rose again from the dead tells us something very important. Our God is in the resurrection business. The resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead is declared by St. Paul to be the assurance of our own resurrection on God's appointed day. 1 Corinthians 15, 12-20. The goal of our lives, therefore, should be to know Christ and, quote, the power of his resurrection. Philippians 3:10. This means that we cannot lead defeated lives, nor can we evade our responsibilities under God to bring every area of life and thought into captivity to Jesus Christ. The power of his resurrection begins here and now in our lives, in our regeneration, and in our service to him. It means that we have a duty to exercise godly dominion in the Lord's name. Jesus Christ, in his Great Commission, orders us to disciple all nations, teaching them his total word and bringing men and nations under his dominion. Christ is to be thought of as a very present king, for Paul says he, quote, is the blessed and only potentate, the King of kings and Lord of lords. 1 Timothy 6:15, emphasis added. The King's word must have priority in our lives, and we must work to advance his realm and rule. We are too much impressed and governed by the powers of this world. Things will change rapidly when we begin to act in terms of the power of his resurrection.